Hello traders, today is 14th of December, Monday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Today we had amazing volatility, amazing analysis, and most of the traders bank a beautiful pips and amazing profit. I'm just going to show you one of my traders. He banked a beautiful profit, especially at the New York session, and that is his live account. As you can see, this is the live account, not a demo account. And if we go to his portfolio, so let's see, here is today. As you can see that he banked $9,460 just trading on pound dollar. And I'm gonna show you the analysis we did for this pound dollar and how he banked beautiful pips alongside with other analysis. All right, so let's back to the platform. As you can see, okay, let me show you the live analysis recording which we did in I'm just going to show you the 4 hour analysis,
Information
pound dollar
trade.
analysis.
Mentioned you this morning
Okay, so this is the analysis.
possibility of reversal, and as I said to you, price am I going to develop these type of candle. You can see price develop. So far we can see bullish rejection at this level, and sometime price stay here, come back, and then reverse, but we'll see. And if the price is going to break this, then possibility short, and the target would be 23.6 fib level. We'll see, guys. As you know that Brexit situation. So I think I've already done this analysis, but I can do it again now. Just no problem. We can see here.
Right after the 4 hour analysis, now we're doing intraday analysis to refine our entries and exit. As you can see here,
Price. This is the recent low. This is the recent high, and which is look like a major resistance level. And this is recent low is a major support level. So we're looking another breakout opportunity. You can see here price respected previously these levels. So we're looking another breakout opportunity on pound dollar.
all right guys, so as you can see that this pound dollar analysis we broadcasted, and all the members have seen their live analysis and the analysis broadcasted in the analysis section. uh, and as soon as the price develop the opportunity according to that analysis, we also broadcast that information through live audio commentary. As you can see, this was the analysis. We had a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we also have another pullback based on the momentum, based on the 4 hour analysis. As we have seen this sentiment and buys in 4 hour, based on that we had a beautiful breakout short trade. As soon as the price hit to the first target, we announced to bank some profit. So once that is done, and when the price develop another pattern, we broadcast that information instantly again. As you can see here, this was the another analysis we broadcast. As you can see here, as soon as the price came back, and as mentioned here, to look for this pullback. As you can see, we have another pullback, and we announce all these pullbacks through live audio commentary, and we communicate with our trader. As long as the momentum is bearish, we announce that most of the pullback would consider high probability trade. As you can see, we had such a beautiful short trade. As you can see that one of my traders bank a beautiful profit on especially trading on cable. But as you can see, we had analysis all of the major currency pairs. We had a beautiful analysis on Euro USD. Again, this was the analysis we mentioned because the channel was developed, because we did in 4 hour analysis. We mentioned that the price has developed another double top in 4 hours, so we're looking at short. And as soon as the price develop head and shoulder pattern, as you can see here, this is head and shoulder pattern, and we announced this breakout short trade. Let me show you the 4 hour, so at least you understand what I'm talking here. In 4 hour, we mentioned here at this time the price was at this level, so we announced that the price reached to this level, almost developing it. And if the price gonna break this low, and then we should be taking a short trade. And this wedge, which we explained through in intraday, which you can see it here. As you can see, this is the analysis we did. And once the price was about to break, we announced that analysis. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target, we announced to bank some profit. So you can see all these intraday analysis are 100% based on the high time frame sentiment. So and then we refine our entries in smaller time frame, and all these analysis updates provide live through live audio commentary. All right, so let's back to the all the analysis. And as you can see here in the platform, we have analysis since 2018. So members can go any day analysis, and they can see how we analyze market and how we banking some profit. All right, so let's back to the today's analysis. I'm just gonna go very quickly. We have a lot of analysis today. Amazing volatility. This was a pretty straightforward. As you can see, beautiful break, pullback, a long trade on pound Swiss franc, pullback long trade pound yen, and pound dollar. Beautiful pullback long trade, counter short trade, breakout long trade on. This is the dollar Swiss franc pre straightforward breakout short trade, euro pound pre straightforward based on the analysis. Beautiful breakout short trade, dollar yen sideways market, breakout short trade, euro USD as mentioned you this morning. We had a beautiful pullback long trade. As you can see, the price nicely developed pullback based on this analysis, and beautiful long trade. Dollar CAD pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Pound yen pretty straightforward. This was the New York session analysis. Beautiful breakout short trade. And pound dollar, as you can see, I did analysis. Beautiful breakout short trade. And euro pound breakout long trade. Pound Swiss franc beautiful breakout. You guys see that as soon as the momentum is developed bearish, we only take a trade towards the momentum and towards the trend in intraday, and you can see beautiful breakout afterwards. Beautiful pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc. Pound yen, we already had this breakout, bank beautiful pips, price develop another pattern, beautiful breakout short trade. Pound dollar, as you can see, we already banked, and beautiful, as explained, beautiful pullback short trade, and one of the traders banked $9,640 today, just only this trade. Beautiful short trade. And euro USD breakout short trade, dollar Swiss franc counter long trade. You can see the price nicely respected in support level. And Aussie dollar beautiful breakout, because we explained to trader this was the previous last week high. If the price gonna fail to maintain this level, then we should be taking a short trade, counter short trade. As you can see, as soon as the price hit to the second fifth channel, we announced to bank some profit. Everything basically is based on the 4-hour analysis and refine entries in intraday. Beautiful short trade on Aussie dollar, dollar CAD, beautiful breakout long trade. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside all the live trade updates, including all the fundamental information broadcast instantly as soon as it develops. So even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide forex coaching and training. You can see all the training material is given here. You can develop your education, and you can see it live in this platform, how we analyze in real time. So the both theory and the practical is the same time in one platform. So that's the best place where you can develop your trading skills if you are struggling in forex, or even if you are experienced trader. I'm damn sure you're gonna love to bank all this profit alongside with our professional trader. So most welcome guys, join our fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. All the contact details is given in video description, and have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.